So hey guys, good evening. Welcome to our channel V2V, and you can follow our channel in Telegram, Instagram, Facebook for more updates regarding our channel. So I will update you to each and every information related for notifications or any campus recruitment training or all the materials which are available in the Telegram, guys. You just follow me the Telegram. It available all the PDFs of live sessions and any practice questions. So everything is just updated in the Telegram, guys. First of all, is clear audio and video? Please confirm, guys, is clear audio and video? Yes, good evening, Nana. Very good evening. You just copy the link and share to your friends. Then we'll go to day 11 for TCS NQT 2021 related for today's topic is equations, guys. Maybe you can expect a question from the equations model. Everything is clear. Just like the video, guys, and share to your friends. Then we'll go to see, guys. Generally, there is a two type of equations. So there is a two type of equation means defined as a simple equation and quadratic equation. See, simple equation means they maintained as a power one. If power be the one, definitely we can call as those as a simple equation. For example, we can represent it like a x plus y. So if you observe that any unknown quantity maintained as a power be the one, it deals with the simple equation. If power be the maintained 2 or more than 2, definitely the terminology we can define as a quadratic equation. Yeah, so there is a difference between the simple equation and the quadratic equation. If power be the 1, we can define as a simple equation. If power be the 2 or more than 2, definitely it deals with the quadratic form that we called as a quadratic form. Like we can define as any quadratic form as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is in the form of quadratic. If it is a simple equation we can call it as ax plus by is equal to 0. So any equation we can define power value be the 1. It deals with the simple equation. If power be the 2 or more than 2, it deals with the quadratic equation, guys. There is the major difference. Yeah. Yes, that is the first basic information. Let's see that how we are doing general questions of simple equation. First of all, solving equation, guys. We need to solve an equation. How we are solving an equation? Generally, for example, we'll take a one example. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Then what is the x and y values? What is the value of x and y? So this is the question always. So if you frame a one of the equation, we need to identify that which variable, what is the x variable and what is the y variable. That is our target. First of all, see guys, most of the students generally they solve equation. So these entire equation is multiple with the 2. This entire equation is multiple with the 3. Now I can say that 2 and 3 x variables are exactly constant. Then we are subtracting the y value, you can get the answer. But so don't go with these type of any multiplication approach. Simply guys, see how I am doing. If you want any x value, see guys, if you want any x value, first of all, you should multiply these number and these number. Just go with the direct manner. See. So first of all, multiply these two numbers. 5 3s are 15. And again find the difference. Again, you multiply these two numbers, guys. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Under divisible by. Under divisible by. In the same way, you are starting here. You should multiply these two numbers, guys. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Again, subtracted. Again, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Now, the value become 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Now, you can get the answer. X is equal to 7 by 5. So you can get the direct, guys. If you get x is equal to 7 by 5, you can substitute it there. Then 2 into 7 by 5 plus 3y is equal to 4. Now 3y exactly equal to 4 minus 7 2s are 14 by 5. 14 by 5 means what is your observation, guys? See, 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 14 is equal to 20 minus 14 is equal to 6 by 15. Why? Because 3 is multiple with a 5 time. But see guys, so we already there is a cancellation. What is the cancellation? This is for 3 into 5 na? So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are. Now the value of y exactly equal to 2 by 5. So let me explain again. See, let me explain again. See, if any equation is given for ax plus by is equal to c, dx plus ey is equal to f. If you want the value of x, guys, if you want the value of x, first to multiply these two numbers, guys, b into f. Again, find the difference. Again, e into c, divisible by, same you should multiply these two numbers guys, b into d, that is equal to bd, minus you should multiply these two numbers, that is a into e, ae. So if you get a x value, you can substitute it in the equation, definitely you can get the y value now. So is clear how we are solving an equation? For example, sir, if it is a minus, no problem, ax minus by is equal to c, sir, dx minus ey is equal to f, sir. How we are finding the x value? No worries guys, if you want x value, same procedure. You multiply minus b into f, the value become b into f, that is bf. Again you can find the difference, minus, again multiply these two numbers, minus of c is equal to minus of c, divisible by, again you should multiply these two numbers, that is b into d, minus of bd, again minus of, the value become minus of AE. Then final equation becomes C, exactly CE minus of BF, CE minus BF divisible by AE minus BD, AE minus BD. Clear, Nana? Is it clear how we are solving a general equation? So don't go with a multiplication, multiple with other number, multiple with other number, then cancel the x value, then finding the y value. Don't go with it. Just observe that how we are doing the equation. Is it clear, guys? Yes. Then here the question number one, give me the answer, Nana. Here the question number one, find the value of x. So there is a small equation they given directly. Find the value of x. 6x minus 27 plus 3x exactly equal to 4 plus 9 minus of x. Then what is the value of x? Just find the value of x, Nana. Just try this question. So direct information. See, 6x plus 3x is equal to 9x. 9x plus 6 is equal to 10x, guys. 10x minus 27 exactly equal to 9 plus 4, 13, Nana. Then 10x is exactly equal to 30. Then x value exactly equal to 6x plus 3x is equal to 9x. 9x plus x is equal to 10. 9, sorry. 27 plus 13 exactly equal to 14, Nana. So then you can cancel 0, 0. Then x value become exactly 4. X value become exactly 4. This is the simple equation. Yes, very good. X is equal to 4. Guys, how it is a 5? 27 plus 13, I think so it's a 40, guys. It's not a 50. Ravani, Radhika, Mahalakshmi, check it out, Nana. Don't make mistake in the additions, no? So 27 plus 13 is equal to 40. The resultant of x become a 4, Nana. Now it is, this is the question. So the question is just converted into equation, then find the variable. Just go through this one. Yes, then see. The cost of two chairs and three tables. Two chairs plus three tables exactly equal to 1300. First equation. The cost of three chairs and two tables exactly equal to 1200. Now question, if each cost of each table is more than that each chair is, means how much of cost extra when compared to the table to the chair. So how much of extra cost? Now see, first you just find the value of C. If you want C value, means multiply these two numbers first of all. 3 into 12 exactly equal to 3600. Minus, again you should multiply these two numbers. 13 into 200, guys, the value become 2600. Divisible by, you are starting here, you should multiply these two numbers. So 3 3s are 9. Minus, you should multiply these two numbers. 2 2s are 4, guys. Now the resultant become exactly equal to 1000 divisible by 5, 9. 1000 divisible by 5, the resultant is equal to 200. Means the cost of each chair is equal to 200. Now you can substitute it here. So 2 into 200 is equal to 400. 1300 minus 400 is equal to 900. Then each table cost is exactly equal to, each cost of table is equal to 300. The cost of each table is equal to 300. Now question, see, if table is 300 guys, chair is 200. Here my question, the cost of each table is more than that of chair by exactly 100 rupees. So the cost of each table is 100 rupees more than the cost of the chair. Now your answer is represented for none of these. So answer is equal to none of these, Nana. Yes, very good, Nana. Try this question. So one more calculation. Just go through the calculation and give me the answer. Yes, very good, Nana Shailesh. Sarvesh, Shailesh, Vivekananda. Very good, Nana. Go through the next one. Just go through the question, guys. The cost of 10 kg of apple is equal to the cost of 24 kg of rice. The cost of 6 kg of flour is equal to the cost of 2 kg of rice. There is a comparison. So quantity into price exactly equal to other quantity into price. Next, the cost of each kg of flour is 20.50. Clear? Now find the total cost of 4 kg of apple, 3 kg of rice and 4 kg of flour. Yeah. N means multiply. But why you asking, Nana? N means multiply, okay? Then why you asking? Now see guys. Now just observe guys. See guys. 10 kg. So I don't know the price of apple. I just consider the price of apple is A. The price of apple is A. Now what is the information? 10 kg of apple. 10 kg of apple exactly equal to 24 kg of rice. I just assume rice is equal to R. Price is equal to R. So that is the first information. You just cancel 2 5s are 2 12s are. So the ratio of apple and R. So it means apple and rice means the quantity exactly equal to 12 is to 5. It deals with the quantity, Nana. It deals with the quantity. So 10 kg of apple price exactly equal to 24 kg of rice. That is the information, means the ratio become 12 is to 5. Next, the cost of 6 kg of flora. So I just consider rho f, the value become f, the price is equal to f, Nana. Now you just consider the value. The cost of 6 kg of flora is exactly equal to 2 kg of rice. Again you just cancel 2 is to 3. Then f is to r, f is to r exactly equal to 1 is to 3. Just see guys, f is to r is equal to 1 is to 3. If you see that above alphabeticals are A and R, Nana. Above alphabeticals are A and R, and below alphabeticals are F and R. If you observe the entire alphabeticals, R is the common alphabetical. If R is the common alphabetical means the R alphabetical position, the numerical must be equal. That is the concept of ratio says. Clear? Then what is the observation? Sir, here R is equal to 5. R is equal to 5. Here R is equal to 3 means we should equating these value means we should multiply these number with a 3 and these number with a 5, sir. Now you can get the ratio of A is to R is to F. Now see guys, 3 12s are 36. Clear? 3 5s are 15. Again multiply. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. Now find the ratio. A value is equal to 36 quantities. Next one, R value is equal to 15 quantities. Next, F value exactly equal to 5 quantities. So this is the perfect ratio we are deriving from the above entire statements. We just derive these ratio into the above statements. Now you can just compare. Here see, 5 kg of flour exactly equal to 16 kg of rice. 15 kg of rice. 15 kg of rice exactly equal to 36 kg of apple. That is the information. Now see, there is a comparison. The cost of each kg of flora is 20.50. Means see, if 5 quantities exactly equal to 20.50, if 5 quantities exactly equal to 20.40, now each quantity exactly equal to 4.1. Each quantity is equal to 4.1. If you want a value, the value become 36 into 4.1. If you want R value, the value become 15 into 4 plus 1. If you want F value, 5 value become 5 into 4 plus 1. So that is the equation, guys. Now you just give me, what is the question? Find the total cost of 4 kg of apple. 4 kg of apple means if you observe the entire parameter, 4.1 is the common, guys. 4.1 is the common. Now you can multiply 4 into 36. 4 into 36 is 144. 4 6 are 24. 4 3 are 12. The value become 144. Plus 15 into 3. 15 into 3. Rise 15 3s are 45. Nana. And 5 kg of flora, 5 5s are 25. If all are added together, see 25 plus 45, the resultant is equal to 70. If you add up 70, so the resultant is exactly equal to 214. Just multiply 214 into 41 and just denominator we have it 10. No, just multiply. It's a 4 1 2 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 5, 4 2s are 8. So here the value becomes see, it's a 4, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, 7, 8. So we have a decimal now. So answer become exactly 877.4. The answer is exactly equal to 877.4. So this is based on your calculation, guys. It needs a calculation. See, observe that, understand the how we are doing the question. So we are applying the ratio proportion concept, then we'll go to calculation. Then finally you can get the resultant is 877.40. Now see, that what is the concept of digits? See, digit is completely different than number, guys. Number is a combination of digit. So digit deals with the individual, number deals with the grouping. Always see, guys, digits is always represented for 0 to 9. These are the digits, guys. These are the digits, guys. So these digits I can call as a single digit number. Single digit number. For example, if you want a two-digit number, can we say that, sir, that is related for 10 to 99? If it is a three-digit number, 109 to 101 to 999. So in this way, we can define as a single digit, two-digit, three-digit, four-digit number like that. But for example, if you assume a digit, we have a 10 chances. We can go with a 0, 1, 2, 3, any of the number. Nana. That's why if you someone says assume a digit means you can represent it with a some unknown quantity. For example, assume a single digit number, the value is equal to x. Assume a two digit number. You can assume with any two digit, but it is always represented for a unknown representation. If you want a two digit number, the value become xy. For example, assume a three-digit number. Assume a three-digit number. So you can represent it with any alphabetical, but always be the unknown quantity. The value become x, y, z. For example, assume a four-digit number. Assume a four-digit number. That is my wish. I can take any alphabetical. P, Q, R, S is the exact four-digit number. But if assume a 2-digit number means don't say that, sir, that is 21, 22, 23. In that way, you can't say, guys. Why? Because we have a number of chances. That's why if any of the person asks you to assume a two-digit number, you can say simply it's a x, y. Assume a three-digit number x, y, z. You can consider any of the alphabetical, but the number is always represented into unknown quantity. But you have a doubt, sir. X can be represented a one digit number, single digit number. There is no problem. Then what is the value of xy? See, if you want any two digit number, sir, if we want a two digit number means, see, if you want any two digit number means the number which is multiple with a place value. For example, the value of two digit number. So y is the units place, x is the tens place. The value become exactly equal to 10x plus y number. This is the value. Clear? Same thing. What is the value of a three-digit number? The value of three-digit number exactly equal to 100x plus 10y plus z. This is the information. If we want a four-digit number means 1000p plus 100q plus 10r plus s. So in this way, the value of unknown you should multiply with a place value. Then you can get the exact one single digit number, two-digit number, three-digit number, and a four-digit number. The most important. So the question maybe you can expect it from two-digit number and three-digit number. Let me explain one thing. Here the question number one. If any two-digit number, any two-digit number is subtracted from reversing of two digit is always divisible by this is the direct question you can expect, guys, from these particular concepts. See, here the question, if you consider any of the two digit number, so whatever the two digit number is subtracted from the reversing of its two digits, so those resultant is always divisible by which of the following number? That is our question, guys. So maybe you can expect same question, you can get a three digit number and difference of reversing of those 3-digit number, the resultant always divisible by dash, resultant divisible by dash. You can expect maybe from these questions, guys. So a 2-digit number and reversing of 2-digit number, the resultant is always divisible by dash number. A 3-digit number and reversing of 3-digit number is always divisible by dash number. That is the question you can maybe expect, guys. Now then, so according to the concept, a 2-digit number is equal to xy and reversing the 2-digit number is equal to yx. We want a value. The value of xy, definitely the value becomes c. So 10x plus y, 10x plus y. The result reversing of digit value become 10y plus x. Here we want the difference. The difference means subtracted. If you find the difference, the value become 9x minus 9y. 9x minus 9y means the resultant. The resultant means x minus y is the resultant. The resultant is always divisible by 9. So the resultant is always divisible by 9. This is the procedure. But don't go with the procedure, just go with an observation. If you consider as any of 2-digit number, let it take one number, guys. See, sir, I just consider as a 12. Reversing the 12, reversing the 12 is equal to 21. Then what is the difference, guys? The difference is 9. It is always divisible by 9, Nana. See, same thing. If you consider as a 64, 64 reversing digit is equal to 46. The difference become 18. 18 is always divisible by 9. That's why if you consider as any of the 2-digit number, the reversing of those 2-digit number, the resultant is always divisible by 9. So that is the important and direct question. Same thing, a 3-digit number. A 3-digit number, the value become 100x plus 10y plus z. Reversing the value means that it should be xyz and zyx. Zyx means 100z plus 10y plus x. Now my question, the difference of resultant, what is the difference means? Now you can cancel 10y and 10y. Then 100x minus x is equal to 99x. Z minus 100z is equal to 99z. If you common as a 99, the resultant become x minus z. Then see, whatever the resultant, if any 3-digit number, it reversing of 3-digit number, the difference resultant is always, the resultant is always divisible by 99. If it is a 2-digit number, the resultant is always divisible by 9. If it is a 3-digit number, the resultant is always divisible by 99. So maybe you can get the direct question, but just keep it in mind what is the concept for calculation. Clear? So that is the concept of digits now. Digits concept. Everyone like the video and share to your friends, guys. Share to the maximum number of people. Yes, is it clear the concept, Nana? See the question number 1, give me the answer. This is the question number 1, give me the answer. Join means so that is a membership of our channel, Anna. It's around 55 rupees. I think so 85 rupees and 159 rupees. So if you want to help our channel for financially, you can join it. But it's not a mandatory. Harshita, if you join, definitely I will provide some benefits. Definitely. If you someone is joined, definitely I will go for some benefits. I will give some benefits, pakka. But everyone is equal to me. But intentionally, just support our channel for providing a better content. Anna. Definitely, Arshita. If you join, I will provide some benefits. But everyone is equal to me. Definitely, I will help you throughout your career. Just for some financial support for future better content. You just help to our channel. That is the meaning of join. No? Thank you, Nana. Thank you so much. Yes, yeah, the question number 4. The tens digit of a two-digit number is 2 more than the units digit. There is a two-digit number. The two-digit number is equal to xy. The two-digit number is equal to xy. That is the question. A tens digit means tens digit is equal to x. X is 2 more than the units place. So x value exactly equal to y plus 2. That is the meaning. The tens digit position is equal to x. Units position is equal to y. Then tens digit position exactly equal to 2 more than the y. So that is the information. Next one. The two-digit number is 7 times the sum of the digits. A two-digit number means that is equal to xy is equal to 7 times the sum of its digits. Sum of its digit means that is equal to x plus y. Now, the value of xy, don't take it as equation. So just write down the value of xy. What is the value of xy? 10x plus y exactly equal to 7x plus 7y. So that is the first value. Clear? Now you can go to calculation. 10x minus 7x. 10x minus 7x exactly equal to 3x, and that is equal to 6y. Now x by y ratio exactly equal to 2 by 1. Then x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Then what is the question? Find the units digit. Units digit means find the value of x. So see, if you want value of x means definitely you can substitute y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. The x value become exactly 3. X value become exactly 3. Sorry, we need to find the y value, no? So x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 means y is equal to definitely 1. So find the units digit. Units digit is equal to y. Y is equal to 1. Answer become a 1. Right? So it is a 2. No one is getting 2, na? The two-digit number is 7 times the sum of its digit. Two-digit number xy is exactly equal to 7 times that. So 10x plus y is exactly equal to 7x minus 7y. And the 3x is equal to 6y. Then x by y is equal to 2. Then x by y is equal to 2. You can substitute x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. And the ratio of x is to y is equal to 2x. I just consider 2p and 3p, na? 2p and 1p. Just wait it, guys. 2p and 1p, na? X is equal to 2p is equal to 1p plus 2. Then see p is equal to 2, na? P is equal to 2. P is equal to 2. Then y is equal to 2. X is equal to 4. So sorry. Y is equal to 2. X is equal to 4. Yes. It's a 2, na? Sorry. It's a 2. X is equal to 2y. Okay. X is equal to 2y, na? Then y value become a 2 and x value become a 3. Yes. Thank you, Nana. Thank you. Let's go through the next one. Sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 12. The difference of digit is equal to 6. Then find the numbers. For these type of questions, you just go with option verification also. For example, sum of the digits of two-digit number is equal to 12. First option is satisfied. Second is satisfied. Third is satisfied. And fourth is also satisfied. Satisfied all the next one. The difference between the digits is 6. The difference between the digits is 6 means A be the correct answer, B be the correct answer, C eliminated, D eliminated. Then option is equal to. This is the option verification. Just go with an option verification. Otherwise, a sum of the digits of a two-digit number. A two-digit number is equal to xy. A reversing of two digit is equal to yx. A sum of a two-digit number is equal to 12. That is the equation number 1. Next, the difference of digits is the difference of the digits is. So the difference of the digits is equal to 6. Then see x minus 6 is and x minus y is equal to x minus y is equal to x minus y is equal to 6, na? Now see here, then 2x is exactly equal to 18, then x is equal to 9. If x is equal to 9, then y is equal to 3. But most of the students they consider answer is equal to 93. But remember guys, here the difference is always indicated which one is the priority. These equation, for example, x plus y is equal to 12, then y minus x. So the difference is always indicated x minus y or y minus x. You can't confirm a single equation, Anna. Then y minus x is equal to 6 now. Then x cancel. Then 2y is equal to 18. Then y become exactly 9, Nana. Y become a 9, x is equal to 3. The answer become a 39. That's why I represented the answer is equal to 39 and 93. Is it clear? See, they mention the difference. No, difference can be defined as x minus y or y minus x. We can't confirm, Nana. Difference means they define how much they value. So there is a symbol, not a minus. Don't take it as exact minus. No, we don't know that which one is the higher value, which one is the lower value. Why? Because those are the unknown quantities here. That's why you can take it as both the equation. That's why your answer be the either 93 or 39. Don't choose the answer is 93. Most of the students they can choose your option be the 93, but there is a chance of 39. Just keep it in mind. Let's try this question. Let's try the next question. Nana. See, the numbers obtained by interchanging the two-digit number. The two-digit number is equal to xy. Interchanging the two-digit number is equal to yx. Then see, the number obtained by interchanging the two-digit of a two-digit number is less than the original number by 45. Then see, yx value exactly equal to 45 minus xy. That is the meaning, Nana. See, what is that? So there is a two-digit number. After interchanging those two-digit number, the resultant is 45 less than the original number. Means the yx value exactly equal to xy minus 45. Now I can say that the original number is always greater than the reversing of number. Now see, the sum of the two-digit number obtained is 13. So sum of the two-digit number x plus y is equal to 13. Now, what is the original number? Just go with an option verification. Then see, 49 is not an answer, guys. First of all, why I'm saying that? Why? Because reversing digit is, see, original number is always greater than the reversing digit, no? That's why pakka A be the wrong answer. If I consider as 83, if I consider as 83, 8 plus 3, the resultant is equal to 11. Again eliminated. D eliminated. Then you can go with option 94. So 94, 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. It satisfied the number. And the reversing digit is equal to 49. Then find the difference. The resultant is always become a 45. So definitely I can choose option is the B number. Clear? The option is related for B. So answer is equal to 45. If you want to go with an equation base means see, yx can be written as 10y plus x exactly equal to 10x plus y minus of 45. Now see, you just go with an equation, you just take it as a value. So 9x minus 9y is equal to 45. If you want a procedure, then x minus y is exactly equal to 5. X minus y is equal to 5. Then x plus y is equal to 13. Just go with an equation, you just cancel the y value. Then 2x is equal to 8 in Nana, then x is equal to 9. If x is equal to 9, definitely y value can be subtracted from the 9. Now 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. That's why the resultant is equal to 49. Then you can go with the option verification, or you can go with a good at a calculation, then go with the procedure. That gives us accurate answer. One more question in a three-digit number. Krishna Chaitanya, definitely I will take it, Nana. Don't worry. According to my plan, I just want to cover all the concepts up to 17th or 18th. For last 4 days, we just focus on mainly mock test. It around, I just going to plan for last 4 days around 200 to 300 questions for all the topics. First of all, I just want to finish the main important concepts of every topic in quantitative aptitude and reasoning. So majorly I'm focusing. If you have some idea about that, what are the different topics and what are the different models, then you can easily handle any questions. Don't worry, Chaitanya. So I will give my 100% effort now, but to complete your syllabus. For last 4 days, definitely we are going to solve 200 to 300 questions for both quantitative and reasoning. I'm going to plan that. Don't worry. Up to 17th or 18th, so I am going to cover concepts only. For last 4 days, we will go and crack it. Yes, next one. A three-digit number. A three-digit number is XYZ. Now see, 100 digit is 2 more than the tens digit. 100 digit is equal to X. 2 more than the tens digit means X value is equal to Y plus 2. And units digit is 2 less than the tens digit. Units digit is equal to Z nano. 2 less than the tens digit. The value become Y minus 2. These are the equations. Yeah, so that is the up to the information. See, what is the information? See, in a three digit number, 100 digit is 2 more than the tens digit means X value become Y plus 2. Then the tens digit means the units digit means Z is equal to less than 2 means Y minus 2. That is the equation we just framing now. Now, the sum of the digits is equal to 8. Sum of the digits means X plus Y plus Z is equal to 18. Yeah. Find the numbers. If you want to interested, go with option verification. Then see XYZ. What first information? 100th digit is 2 more than, and so you can satisfy these equation. You can satisfy these equation. You can satisfy these equation. You can satisfy all these equations. So you can pick at these ones. Sum of all the numbers is equal to 18. So this is no chances, guys. Eliminated at maybe. And 7 plus, so this is no chances, guys. And 9 plus 7 is equal. 9 plus 7 is equal to 6. Not a chance. So answer maybe a 684 may be expected. Just go through the one. See, X value means X value is equal to 2 more than means X value is always greater than these value means eliminated D, answer become a E, guys. That is the option elimination. If you want to go with a procedure means you just substitute nana. So what is the substitution means? X value become Y plus 2 plus Y value take it as a constant, and Z value can be considered as Y minus 2, the value become 18. Now see, 3y exactly equal to 18, then Y value become a 6 nana. If Y value become a 6, X value become a 8, Z value become a 4. Now the answer become 864 be the perfect number. So it resembles the answer none of these. Yes, Radhika, Lavanya, Raja, very good nana, very good. Let's go through the second one. When 2 is added to the of one third of 1/5 of a number, the resultant is 1/15th of a number. The number is the common. Then find that number. Give me the answer, guys. Nikhil, we already completed now. Probability means 2 days back we covered, and permutation combinations you can go through the Infosys model. No? The concept is similar. That's why I'm not covering permutation combination. But the TCS I already completed 2 days back probability concept. Go through that. Just go through the playlist. Yeah, it available all the topics now. Just who are new to the channel, just subscribe our channel, Nana. You can get a notifications. Then see, go to the calculation. See, if 2 is added to of one third of 1/5 of a number. That is the way we are writing the equation. See, if 2 is added of one third of 1/5 of a number, the resultant, you get a one resultant. So the result is 1 by 15th of a number. 1 by 15th of a number. That is the meaning, guys. Just go through that. So 2 plus, if you multiply, the value become x by 30 is exactly equal to x by 15. Then 2 is exactly equal to x by 15 minus x by 30. So the LCM become exactly equal to 30. So the value become 2x minus x. The value become x by 30. X by 30, which is exactly equal to 2. Then x value perfectly resembles as a 60 be the correct answer. So x is equal to 16. Nana. Yes, very good. Very good. Very good. Sharvesh, Anish, very good. Nana. Next one. The next question. Guys, if you have any doubts, feel free to ask anything, Nana, towards your interview or towards your resume, anything. Just if you have any doubt, personally just ping me in the Telegram, guys. I will help you, Nana. If you take a subscription, it's available. But subscription is not a mandatory. Just who are willing to support our channel, just take a subscription for 59 rupees, 85 rupees, and 149 rupees. Yeah, but it is not a mandatory. Who are willing to support our channel financially? Because we can't get any amount from any other outside sources, na. But one thing, guys, if you support me, definitely you can get the better content. And compared to the other channels, I will always provide you a better content, not yours who are not afford to take financially, na. So I will help you those also. So just support me if you have a money. If you have a money, guys, this is not a mandatory. If you take a subscription or not a subscribe, but I always use up. I will support, guys. But if you take a subscription, definitely I will give you some special benefits. Thank you, Nana. Next, see, sum of the four consecutive even numbers is 292. Then what will be the smallest number? Guys, who are good at a concept of averages? Who are good at a concept of averages, then you can easily solve this question, guys. What did they mention? There is a four consecutive even numbers. There is a four consecutive numbers. Sum of all these numbers is equal to 292. Sum of all these numbers is equal to 292. If sum is equal to 292, the what is the average deals with the sum by number, Nana? What is the sum? 292. And the number, the total, how many numbers are there? Four numbers. Four numbers. You just cancel the numbers. Clear? 7 fours are 28, 4 threes are. Means the resultant exactly equal to 73. The average we can get exactly 73, Nana. Now, according to that, if it is a four numbers, the average lies exactly a middle number according to the consecutive numbers. So this is the location of exactly 73. This is the location of exactly 73. Then the previous even number. Why? Because these four lines can perfectly represent an even number. So this is the even number 72 and this is the 74. Those all the even numbers means this is the 76 and this is the 70. Here my question is smallest number. The resultant is equal to 70. That's why every concept is important to solve the question in easy way, guys. So we just, if you good at a concept of averages in the consecutive concept, what is the consecutive concept? I said that if you go with the formula, average is equal to sum by number. If you're good at a consecutive concept, so according to the consecutive numbers, average lies at exactly middle numbers. Now they given as a four numbers, resultant is 292. Now I am finding the average number, then you can easily get the first position number that becomes 70. So it's enough. If you're good at a concept, then you can easily solve this question. So that's why the concept is most important. Every concept we can apply into the other concept. Now, see the concept of ages. Let's just go to some of the questions in the equations base. See, what is the ages means, for example, if you compare with the present days. The present age of father is equal to F, son is equal to S. I just consider father is equal to 40 years, son is exactly equal to 20 years. Now see, after 5 years, the perfect statement is hence. So hence 5 years, the age of father, we just add five variables. The 40 plus 5 is equal to 45, and 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. Now see, at 10 years ago, 10 years ago, or 10 years before, ago and before is always deals with the past tense, past information. So 10 years ago, the father is exactly equal to 13, and the father is exactly equal to 30. And son is exactly equal to, we just subtracted 10 value, the value become a 10. What are you about? If you have an equal number of persons, if the person increases years, for example, if son is increases by 2 years, the father is also increases 2 years. Each and every person we need to increasing the value. So that is the important part, Nana. So just go through the information. Just observe that they given as a present value, they compare with either future value or past value. If father is decreases, definitely son is also decreases. If father is increases, take a son is also increasing value. For example, here the question. The age of father is 10 years, son is equal to 2 years. What is the sum of their age? Sum of their age after 5 years. Some of their age after 5 years. Most of the students in their mind they think that 10 plus 2 is equal to 12, 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. They choose as a 17. But if you choose 17 is the perfect answer, that is absolutely wrong. What is the question? So question deals with the sum of their age we require after 5 years, means here father is increases 5 years, Nana. Son is increases 5 years, means the total value we are increases 10 years, not a 5 years. Yeah. Yes, Vicky, you can go to that one. No, that is not a wrong. No, that is also one of the procedure. But we will go the direct one. Get this question. Udit is 18 years hence will be the thrice his age 4 years ago. Find the Mudit's present age. So there is a one person they comparing with their future age and present age and past age. Now we need to identify what is the present value of Mudit. Now see that. So I just consider Mudit present age is equal to M. Present age of Mudit is exactly equal to M. Then read the line. See, 18 years hence, 18 years hence, 18 years hence, the person age is exactly equal to N plus 8. 18 years hence, the person age is equal to N plus 18. Then see, 18 years hence, the age of that person is equal to M plus 18 will be thrice. Thrice means three times. His age 4 years ago. His age 4 years ago, the age of that person is equal to M minus 4. That is the equation you need to write, Nana. So again, I am reading the information. See, Mudit says 18 years hence. I just consider present age of that person is equal to M. So according to the information, 18 years hence the age of that person is equal to n plus 18. Then m plus 18 value exactly equal to thrice his age 4 years ago. 4 years ago, Mudit age is equal to m minus 4. If you comparing m plus 18 and m minus 4, it is exactly equal to 3 times. Now just solve the equation. M plus 18 exactly equal to 3m minus 12. Now the resultant become 2m is exactly equal to 13, Anna. Then m value exactly equal to 15 years. M value exactly equal to 15 years. Yes. More question. What is the question? What is the present age? So present age of that person exactly equal to none of this. It's a 15. Yes, Vignesh. Very good. None. So answer is equal to 15. So that is the just we need to understand the line. So we need to understand that there is a one person they compare their present ways to the future, future to the past, and the final information they comparing for future to the present. You just framing that equation and you can get the answer. Nana. Next, this question. Yes. 10 years ago, the age of Anand was one third the age of Bala. Now see how we are doing this type of question. See guys, the question starts at 10 years ago. 10 years ago, now I am starting my question. 10 years ago, the age of Anand. The age of Anand was one third of the age of Bala. Age of Anand was one third of Bala. You just consider, guys, Bala age is equal to 3x. That is, it gives us a better calculation, guys. See, so the comparison for statement for 10 years ago, Anand was one third of Bala. Now you can assume the Bala is equal to 3x, Nana. Now you can without any fraction, you can get Anand is equal to x. That is better to you. Yeah, consider Bala is equal to 3x. Why? Because so many times I was mentioned the numerator part is always deals with the resultant and the denominator is always deals with the comparison. Now 3 is related to the Bala, numerator is related to the Anand, related to the Anand. Now see, 10 years ago the Anand is x, Bala is 3x. Now if you want the present is, Anand is exactly equal to x plus 10, Bala is exactly equal to 3x plus 10. Now see, the present age of Bala is 12 years more than the present age of Anand. He said that the present age of Bala is 12 years more than the present age of Anand. Guys, anytime, if any statement, the numerical value always you can write as after the unknown quantity. So the value become 12 plus A. For example, A is 10 more than the B. For example, A is 10 more than the B means A value you can write as B plus 10. A value is 10 less than the B means write down A is equal to B minus 10. So if you write as 10 minus B, the total value is completely invalid, guys. Why? Because how you can assume the known value is greater than unknown value? We can't say, guys. Always unknown quantity may be a greater, may be a less. That's why Known value always written in terms of after the unknown quantity. Keep it in mind. Don't change the equation. If you change the equation, the value is completely changes. Now see, the Bala present is equal to how much, Nana? 3x plus 10, exactly equal to Anand is equal to x plus 10 and it is 12 years more. Now the resultant become 2x exactly equal to 12. Why? Because both 10s are cancelled, then x become a 6 years. What is the question? Find the present age of Anand. The present age of Anand is equal to x plus 10. X plus 10 means exactly 10 plus 6, the value becomes 16 years. Next, just try this question. Just go through this question. See, the present average age of couple and their daughters. Means see, the present, it deals with the present terminology. The present age of a couple, father, mother, daughter is exactly equal to 35 into 3. That is the perfect value. Don't take it as a 35. Why? Because the question related for average. So what is the concept of average deals? Average is exactly equal to sum by number. If you want sum of these number, if you want sum of these numbers, some value always resultant as average into number. Now, you just consider f value be the m value be the m, d value be the d, and the total resultant become exactly equal to 105 years. Now, the 15 years from now, 15 years from now, the age of mother. Now, I am dealing with only mother. 15 years from now, the age of mother exactly equal to f plus 15. 15 years from now, the age of mother is equal to f plus 15 is equal to the sum of the present ages of, so the sum of the present ages of father, mother, daughter is 105. If you want mother and daughter, if you want mother and daughter, let's just see, the age of mother will be, no, sorry, it's, you just consider m, no, it deals with the m. The from the age of the mother will be equal to the sum of the ages of father and daughter. See, present age of father and daughter exactly equal to father and daughter, the present value exactly equal to 105 minus of m. 105 minus of m. You just write down the equation here. 105 minus of m. Now see, 2m exactly equal to 19, Anna. Then m value exactly equal to 5 and value m value exactly equal to 45. Here my question, what is the present age of mother? Present age of mother, m is represented for mother and the value become exactly equal to 45 years. The present age of mother exactly equal to 45 years, Ra. Very good, Ra. Very good, Raza. Go through that some miscellaneous questions. Some miscellaneous questions and try to give me the answer. If you're good at a concept, definitely your calculation also gives us the best, guys. If you're good at a concept, definitely calculation is also gives best. So maintain that concept and calculation, definitely you can get a better output. Now see that. Ajay Vijay, there is a two persons having a some marbles with him. So I just consider Ajay number of marbles are A and Vijay number of marbles are V. And Ajay told to Vijay, first of all, Ajay told to the Vijay, if you give me X number of marbles, see, Ajay told to the Vijay, first one, Ajay told to Vijay, if you give X number of marbles, then both we have a equal number of marbles. Now see, if you give X number of marbles means number of marbles now Ajay is A plus X. Vijay number of marbles is equal to B minus X. If you give like that, the number of marbles are equal. That is the first information. Now, Vijay told to the Ajay, Vijay told to the Ajay, if you give me a twice as many marbles, I will have 30 more marbles than you would have. So then see, if you give me a twice as many, if you give as twice as many means you can subtract a minus 2x. Now those 2x is added to the Vijay. That is the meaning, guys. Again, I am telling you, if you give me a twice as many marbles means if you subtracted a minus 2x, those 2x is added to the Vijay. Now I will have 30 more marbles than you. Now Vijay having 30 more marbles means the Vijay value exactly equal to plus 30. So this is the information, guys. Now see, just go with the equation. A minus V exactly equal to 4x minus 30. A minus V is equal to 4x minus 30. Now see, here if you take it as a first equation, A minus V exactly equal to 2x. Now see, 2x is equal to 4x minus 30. Then 2x is equal to 30. Then x is equal to 15. Then the x value become a 15. What is the question? Find the x value. That is the question. Now x value is equal to 15. 30 more. The 2x. A minus V is equal to, guys, this is minus 2x. Sorry. A minus V is equal to minus of 2x. Just wait. A minus V is equal to minus of 2x. A minus V is equal to minus of 2x. Now minus of 2x is exactly equal to 4x minus 30. Then 6x is exactly equal to 30. Then x is equal to 5. X value become exactly equal to 5. X value become 5. Yes, Radhika, very good, Nana. Rahul and Radhika, very good. X value become a 5. Next one. Go through the next question. Bus fare for two persons for traveling between Agra to Aligarh. ID 4/3 the train fare between the same places for one person. They're comparing with here two persons of bus fare exactly equal to one person of train fare. The total fare paid by 6 persons traveling by bus and 8 persons traveling by train between the two places is 1,512. Then find the fare between the two places for one person. So just find the train fare. Now see, the bus fare they are discussing for bus fare. Bus fare is exactly equal to how many persons, guys? 2 persons of bus fare for traveling between the Agra to Aligarh is, it's not it, is 4/3 of the train fare. 4/3 of the train fare between the same place for one person. This is the information, guys. See, train fare you just consider as a T, bus fare is equal to 4/3 of T. Now the total fare paid by 6 persons. 6 persons traveling by bus, traveling by bus and 8 persons traveling by train between the two places the total price is equal to 1512. Now the question, what is the train fare, what is the value of t, you need to calculate it. See, b value, two persons of bus traveling exactly equal to 4/3 of 1 person t. So this is the most information, just don't leave it. 2 persons is most important, Nana. Yeah. Now see 2 person means you just consider 6 person means you just consider 3 persons fare. You just consider 3 persons fare. Why? Because see 3 persons fare. Otherwise, see the bus fare of each person is equal to 4/6 of train fare of each person. Now see 6 persons into persons of bus fare exactly equal to 4/6 of train plus 8 into train fare is equal to 80. The value become 1512. Then see 6 cancel. Then 12t is equal to 1512. Now you can cancel. 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12, we have a 31. 12 twos are 24, 12 twos are 24, we have a 60. 12 twos are 24, we have a 72. 72. Yeah. and 12 6 are. Now that the train fare is exactly equal to 126 rupees. So here the question, the train fare between the two places for one person, guys. If one person is 126, two person is equal to 252. Just see that whether question is related for one person or two person. The answer is 126 rupees. Nana. Shanish Raja, very good. There are some rabbits and peacocks in a zoo. Total number of their heads is 60. The total number of legs is 192. Then find the total number of rabbits. Now see that there is a some rabbits and peacocks in a zoo. Number of rabbits I just consider R. Number of peacocks I consider as a P. The total number of their heads. Heads means each rabbit is equal to one head and a peacock is one head. No. So if the question related for heads, R plus one head, P plus P into one head exactly equal to 60. If you consider as their legs, rabbit is equal to 4 legs, the value become 4R plus peacock has only 2 legs, the value become 2P, the resultant become 190. Now see guys, you just do in this way, 2R plus R plus P, and you should take it as a 2 common, the value become 192. Now see how I am writing 4R plus 2B means 2R plus 2 into R plus B is equal to 192. Now see R plus B is equal to 16 Anna. 60 into 2. 60 into 2 is equal to 120. You can subtract it 120. Now the 2R value become 2R value become exactly equal to 72. Then R value exactly equal to 30. Number of rabbits is equal to 36. Number of peacocks is equal to 24. My question, find the number of rabbits. Rabbits exactly equal to 36. Clear? So number of rabbits is equal to 36. So that is the question. So number of rabbits are 36 Nana. So answer become a 36. Otherwise, I will go to one more thing. See, there is a zoo. So here number of rabbits. So rabbits and peacock, the total value become a 60. This is related for heads Nana. If you same thing 192 is represented for legs now, then what is your observation? Heads is 60, legs is 192. Why it is now? See, if you go with these particular equation, why? Because these equation never gives any particular answer. If you go with the number of legs value become 4R and 2P. Now if you observe guys, here 4R and 2P, same thing. This equation I am explaining here without taking any equation like 2R and 4R and 2P. So here you can write as 2 plus 2. Here you can write as 2 plus 2. So 4R can be written as 2R plus 2R. 2P can be written as 2P. Now see these two quantities. If you observe that these two quantities which are similar and number of R value, two quantities are extra. Now you just find the two quantities how much of extra. Now see. So each quantity is equal to 60. 2 plus 2 is equal. If each quantity is equal to 60, here 2 be the common, 2 60s are 120. So we left with the resultant is 72. These 72 extra is related for 2. 2 become a 62, 1 become a 36. That is represented for rabbits. So that is the equation I can explain without taking any equation like. Now see, so we are going to solve a quadratic equations. See guys, see how we are going to concept of quadratic equations. See, quadratic equations are most important in the big banking. Definitely you can get a 5 marks guys. Then see, so yesterday some of the students they asking me, sir, how you are doing the quadratic equation in quicken manner, how we are solving. First observation, x square minus 9x plus 18, x square minus 9x plus 18 is equal to 0. Then what is your basic approach? The basic approach, consider a value and c value, sir. 1 into 18 is equal to 18. We want these product can be exactly resultant of minus 9. So 18 can be written as x square minus 3x minus 6x plus 18 is equal to 0, sir. Now what is the common? X is the common. You can written as x into x minus 3. Now here 6 is the common. You can written as x minus 3. Now the value becomes 0. Now what is the final equation? X minus 3 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now what is the value of x? Is it 3 and the 6? Now you just go with the y value. Just go with the y value. See, again y square minus 11y plus 18 is equal to 0. Now, so if you go with the 18, become a 6 into 3. 6 3s are 18, but 6 plus 3 or 6 minus 3, we never get 11. Nana. Now, 18 can be represented for y square minus 9y minus 2y plus 18 is equal to 0. Clear? Now, y be the common, you can take it as y minus 9. Again, 2 be the common, the value become y minus 9. Again, the resultant is equal to 0. Now, see, y minus 9 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now the y value become 2 and 9. If these question, it is a 4 marks question, definitely you can get a 4 marks pakka. Why? Because you just follow the traditional approach. But if it is a competitive exam, we don't have such time. Why? Because they mention the question like that, guys. Just compare these two equations. Which of the following options are exactly true? The options are x less than y, x greater than y, x less than or equal to y, x greater than or equal to y. Fifth option, either x is equal to y or no relation is established. Clear? So these are the options, guys. Now, how we are doing quickly for solving these type of quadratic equations? Just go through the observation, guys. Now, don't take it as these steps directly. See, these two steps are important. So you just how you're writing x minus 3 and x minus 5 means, so just eliminate it. Need to take it as these steps, x minus 3 and x minus final factors, they can change their signs. So this is the only observation I can go through those entire procedure. So if you take it as any two factors, the final factors must can change their sign values. Now see how I am doing. Consider as the first equation, guys. Just consider the first equation. See, first I observe the a value and c value. A value is equal to 1, c value is equal to 18. Now don't go with the resultant, Nana. Just go with the resultant. Here positive, the resultant become a positive, sir. Then we want these center value be the negative. Now observe, guys, if you take it as a two symbols, if you want the resultant become a positive, there is a two chances. Either both are you consider as a positive, either both are considered as a negative. That is the only one chance. Either both are positive or both are negative. Then you can get final resultant be the positive. Now I'm majorly focused on 18 can be split into the prime factorization. So 18 can be split as a prime factorization means 18 can be written as 9 into 2. For example, if you write as a 9 into 2, if you add or subtracting, you never get 9 as a resultant, eliminated. Now that is the perfect way you consider as a 3 and 6. Now see what is observation. 3 6 are 8. Okay, no problem, sir. If you take it as a both are plus 3 plus 9, you get final output is plus 9, but here be the negative value. That's why you can consider the perfect factors are minus 3 minus 6. Now, if you want the final answer, convert their change. The final factors exactly equal to plus 3 and plus 6. Now, majorly observe that there is a no a value. A value become a 1. That's why I'm not taking any denominators. The value of factors of x is equal to 3 and 6. Second equation. Take it as the same way. 1 into 18. The resultant is positive. 1 into 18. The resultant is positive. We want, if both are positive means either both signs are positive, both are negative. But here the resultant is negative means eliminated this part. Now see, 18 we want 11. 18 we want 11 means definitely you should multiply 9 into 2. Definitely both the numbers can carry as a minus. Why? Then you can check the entire information. Minus into minus plus. Minus 9 minus 2 minus 11. It satisfies the entire equation. If you want the final factors, change these value. That is value become plus 9 and plus. Now my question, you should compare these two equations. See, if you want to compare these two means take a x values are constant, compare with a y. Take a x values are constant means consider 3, 3, 6, 6, clear? x1, x1, x2, x2. Now you just compare the y value, y1, y2, y1, y2. Then see, y1 is equal to 9, y2 is equal to 2. Y1 is equal to 9, y2 is equal to now. Just compare. This is always less than, this is always less than, this is always less than, but here always be the greater than. What is your observation, sir? Here less than, here less than, here less than, here greater than. So we cannot define with a particular answer. That's why you can choose. There is a no relation. You are choosing option is equal to 5. That is the option you can indicate it. These we can call as a quadratic comparisons. Try yourself and give me the answer. Just try this question. So those are the options. No, just see the options also. Yes, give me the answer, guys. Try this question. Now see, first of all, find the value of x. How we are finding the value of? First, we just majorly just focus on the values of 1 minus of 72. The resultant is negative. Just see Nana how I am doing the quadratic equations. Yeah, that is the negative. If we want the negative is resultant, definitely one variable is positive, other variable will be the negative. This is the only one parameter. If you want negative, definitely one be the positive, one be the negative. There is no other case. Now see, we want this x resultant here, b resultant we required as a 1. Definitely we have only one chance. You should multiply 9 into 8. Now here we have a value of positive. If you have a positive value, definitely take it as a higher number be the positive, lower number be the negative. The final factors are minus 9 plus 8. So we are getting the x variables. Now you just focus on the y value. So you take it as a y value. Here y value, a value be the 1, c value be the 120. The resultant is positive. If the resultant is positive, either both are positive or both are negative. That is the only one chance. Now see, we want 23. See, we want 23 means which one is better? Check it out, guys. Which one is a better means? If you go with the 24 into 5, 24 into 5, if you go with the 24 and 5, there is a no chance, guys. Why? Because 24 plus 5 is a 29, 24 minus 5 is equal to 19, but we never get as a 23. Now, you can go with the other one. So, you just go with a 15 into 8, guys. 15 into 8, 8 15s are 120. We want that is negative symbol, means consider both are negative. Now, see, minus into minus plus, minus 8 minus 15, the resultant is equal to plus 23. Now, the final factors are plus 8 plus 15. Now you just compare x and y, guys. You just compare x and y. Take a x value constant minus 9 plus 8 plus 8. Just compare this one plus 8 plus 15 plus 8 plus 15. Definitely this is the smaller, this is the smaller, this is equal, this is the smaller. Now if you see the entire symbols less than small, less than equal less than, then the answer become x is less than or equal to y. Now x is less than or equal to y, so option is equal to E. Clear, guys, everyone? Just respond, Anna. Is clear? Any question? Yeah. Yes. Try this question. Now again see. Just find the value of x. So find the value of x. X value become 1 into 270 is equal to 270. 1 into 270 is equal to 270. The resultant is positive. If you want the resultant is positive, definitely both are negative, guys. Why? Because it reflects as a majorly negative. Majorly negative means definitely take it as a negative number. Now see. So we want 33. We want 33 means see. You just go with a if you go with the 5 table, see guys, if you go with the 5 table, it reflect, okay, you just go with the factors in this way, 27 into 20. First of all, you can split it that way. Otherwise, you can go with the 9 into 30, 9 into 30. So otherwise, you can consider any of the factors, doesn't matter. So 27, 20, no resembles. 27 can be written as 9 into 3. These can be written as 4 into 5. Now you can check it out, guys. 9 5s are 45, 3 4s are 12. Now see, 9 5s are 45, 3 4s are 12. If you consider as a 45 and 12, 45 and 12, we can get as a 33. But there is a no chance, guys. Why? Because if you want positive resultant means we never take it as a both are positive or both are negative. Why? Because we want the negative symbol, no? So no chance for 45 and 12, guys. Now, no, no, you just consider another way. You just split these value become C. Again, so you just consider these value become so 4 into 5 na. Again you can split these value 3 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 5. Just split the entire value. See, so 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36, 36 become a no chance 27. 20, no chance. Here 33 na 270. Okay, you can go with the first one. In this way, you can split it out. First of all, take it as a direct value, guys. 370 become, you just cancel in the 5 table. 5 5 is a 25, 5 5 is a 25, 5 4 is a 20, 54, no. So this is, you can write as 18 into 5, 18 into 3, 18 3 is a 54. Then you can get the answer, guys. So 5 3 is a 15 and 18, both are negative. The final representations are plus 15 plus 18. So overall, whatever the calculation, just go with your mind, guys. Then you can get the answer. Now try the y values. So the y value become 96. 96 can be written as 4 into 16. So if we want positive resultant, means consider both are negative. The final factors are plus 4 and plus 16. This is completely based on your visual representation and calculation, guys. Then you can get the answer. 15, 15, 18, 18. Compare these one. 4, 16, 4, 16. This is greater. This is it's a less than. Na? See, guys, here less than, here greater, here greater, and see, greater, greater, less than. If you have a two different opponent symbol, the answer become relation cannot be established. The relation cannot be established. Let's try this question 18th one. Just observe, guys, how I'm doing the calculation. Just keep, if you practice, keep it practice, guys. Definitely, you can easily handle these questions, guys. So if you want the x value, so a value is equal to 15, c value is equal to 18. The resultant is positive. We want 29 be the product value. If 29 be the product value, just write as this is the for 3 into 5. Now see, 8 3 is a 24 and 20, 24 and 5, guys. 24 5 plus 24 plus 5. Final factors minus 24 minus 5. But see, guys, the difference between these question and previous question. In the previous question, there is a no particular a value, but there is here there is a value, guys. That's why you can consider here by the 15 and here by the 15. There is a value of a. That's why you take it as a denominator. So try the y value. See, what is the y value? See, 4 into minus of 18, the resultant become a negative. If it is a negative, definitely one be the positive, another one with the negative, guys. Now see, we want 71. We want 71. Na? So if you want 71 means, so which one is a better value? 9 2s are 9 4s are 36, 18 4s are 72. Now see, so this is the better. We have only one chance, minus 72 and plus 1, guys. Why? Because if we want minus 71, no, that's why minus 72 plus 1, the resultant is equal to minus 71. The final factors are plus 72 minus 1. We have a value that is divisible by 4, divisible by 4. Now see that comparison, minus 24 by 15, minus 5 by 15, minus 24 by 15, and minus 5 by 15. Just compare the y values, Nana. 72 by 4. So this is always smaller. 72 by 4. This is always smaller. Why? Because it is a positive value. Again, see, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. This is the most important value. See, just if you compare anything, guys, see, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. Which one is the greater than? Means don't convert it, just cross multiply them. 3 3s are 9, 4 2s are 8. Now see, 8 is always smaller than 9, means definitely 2 by 3 is always smaller than 3 by 4. In this way, don't take it, convert it into percentage, then you can check it out. That is a time waste. Yeah. Now you can go with C. 24 4s are 96, 15 5s are 15. See, minus 6, 96 is always smaller than minus of 15. That's why answer is always defined as x less than y, Nana. In the negative value, if positive value 96 is greater than 15, in the negative value minus 96 always less than the minus of 15. The answer become x is less than y. There is a no equal. Yeah? Try this 19th question. Now see, value of x 4 into minus of 17, the resultant is negative, Nana. We want minus 13. We want minus 13 means directly you can consider the factors of minus 17 plus 4. Directly you can consider. The final factors of plus 17 minus 4. Then we have a value, denominator by 4, denominator by 4. Then take a x value constant, 17 by 4, 17 by 4, minus 1, minus 1. This is the value you just consider, guys. Yeah. Next one, just consider the y values, guys. Y value means 60 into minus of 22. You can get the resultant is negative. We want 326, guys. 326 means you just take this value. See, 22 can be written as 2 into 11. 60 can be written as 15 into 4. Yeah. Now, which one is the better to take this value? Means see, better to take this value, guys. 60, 15 into 4, 2 into 11. We want 326. That is a larger value, no? So 15 fours are 15, 11 fours are 44. Yes. Just we want to multiply which number is perfectly, you can get the answer. 16 to 11, that is value becomes 616, Anna. Gives us the larger value. Just which one is a better for taking this numerical part? Means see, 15 into 4, 2 into 11, we want 22, we want 326 now. Checking the calculation. 15 into 4, 2 into 11, and see. Now see, if, now again you can take it as this value. Better to take this value as 30 into 2. Then you can get the answer. See, 33, 30 11 is 330, 3 2 is 6. Now you can get a 300 and no, so 2 to the 4. No, now you can see that this is minus 330, this is plus 4. The final factors are plus 330, and these factors are minus 4. And there is a value divisible by 60 and divisible by 60. Just compare these number. 0 0 cancel. This is the value of 33 by 6. It is a positive value. Again minus 1 by 15. 33 by 6 minus 1 by 15. Now see, guys, see, if you cross multiply, guys, if you cross multiply, so this is the value of exactly 102. Always this is the smaller value, and this is the greater value, guys. This is the greater value. Now see, this is the smaller value and this is the smaller value, but first fraction 17 by 4 and 33 by 6, if you observe this particular one, the resultant is two different symbol. If it is a two different symbol, the answer is equal to relation cannot be established between the x and y. You can choose your answer, guys. Last question. Now see, value of 17 square, 13 square and 11 square. Guys, keep practice this question. No, that's why I'm not giving any gap. So directly I will tell you the answers. See, just go through that. The value of 17 square and 13 square and 11 square. See, 17 square value become 289 nana. 13 square is equal to 169 nana. 11 square is equal to 121. So 289 minus 169 is equal to 120. 120 minus 121, you can get 120 minus 121. The x value become minus 1. The x value become exactly equal to minus 1. That is the first part. Now see, just find the y value. If you want the y value, again just go with the same approach. Y value is equal to 9 into 4. Again see, definitely the resultant is minus 9 minus 4. The final factors are plus 9 by 4 plus 4 by 4. Just compare that. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Y values are 9 by 4. 4 by 4 is equal to 1. 9 by 4 1. Definitely negative value is always less than the these value, means definitely the resultant is exactly equal to x less than y. Just keep practice, guys. Definitely you can easily solve, you can easily handle the calculation. No, so these are the 20 questions, and this is homework part, and try yourself and post your answer in the comment section. Now tell me that, is there any doubts? Just go through the one simple equation, guys. Most of the chances, guys, see, last Infosys exam there is a question directly given for based on these comparisons, no, but the question is very easy. The question they given, like for example, they is a given as a comparison. The question like these they given in the quadratic equation. Y square is equal to 16. Second one, y is equal to root over 36. Then what is the relation x to y? But if it is this type of question, then you can easily handle the answers. No, that's why I'm taking a different questions. But whatever that, the comparison is always constant. The procedure is always constant. Find the factors, and final important thing. If you're finding the factors, the final conversions is most important part. If both are positive, you can convert it. Both are negative. If one be the positive, other will be the negative. You just interchange the symbol. And final comparison, take x value with a constant and compare with your y values. Yes, is there any doubt, Nana? So try this question and post your answer in the comment section. So what is the relation for x and y? Yes, is there any doubts? No, 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 no. Yes guys, see you in the tomorrow session. Good night guys.